Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you guys my Gerard Cosmetics everyday lip routine. I'll be linking all the products that I use down below, so feel free to check that out at any point during this video, but let's just go right into it. First, I'm going to use my GC lip scrub. It's a sugar-based lip scrub and it really helps exfoliate and hydrate the lip, so I like to do this in order to prep my lips. So I'm going to grab a little bit with my finger, and this is the consistency of it. One of my fave things about the lip scrub is that when you're done with it, since it is sugar based, you can just lick it right off and it leaves your lips so smooth, so hydrated, so luscious. Next, I'm gonna go in with my GC lip liner in the shade Nude. I really like the lip liners because it's so easy to apply. After I'm done applying the lip liner, I don't have to go in and conceal my lip because it's just that easy and perfect to apply. Now I'm going to go in with the HydraMatte in the shade Bare It All, and I'm going to apply this on my lips, of course. And I really like this formula because it is long lasting and it's super creamy. Next, I'm going to go in with my Slay All Day Mini Setting Spray, and this is in the scent Cucumber. I really like this stuff because it helps set my makeup to last all day, and the fact that it's mini makes it very convenient to just take it on the go. I'm always in a rush doing my makeup, so it's just perfect travel size. The GC lip formula for their HydraMattes are so long lasting and durable that you can seriously eat and your makeup will still stay on. So I'm gonna bite into the strawberry and show you guys how good their formula is. My lip HydraMatte is still on. Like, this is amazing.